Good morning. My name is Teacher Janica, but you can call me Teacher Jan. What's my name again? Very good. Today, you will learn something new. But before we proceed with our lesson, let's sing a song first. So may I request everyone to please stand up? Thank you. I call this song the Snaky Song. So you just have to listen to me while I sing the song, then you repeat after. Alright? So the first part of the song goes this way. For a nest I make just a curvy little snake. For a nest I make just a curvy little snake. Let's repeat it. For a nest I make just a curvy little snake. For a nest I make just a curvy little snake. Very good. Now the second part of the song goes like this. And that's a snaky makes my knees a little shaky. For a nest I make just a curvy little snake. Let's sing it again. And it's a snaky makes my knees a little shaky. For a nest I make just a curvy little snake. Good job. Let's repeat it from the top. For a nest I make just a curvy little snake. For a nest I make just a curvy little snake. And that's a snaky makes my knees a little shaky. For a nest I make just a curvy little snake. Wow! Great job! You sang very well. Now, you may take your seat. So, are you ready for our lesson for today? Today, you will learn how to pronounce the correct sound of a consonant letter. And the letter that we have for today is Tudin. Do you know what letter is this? This is the letter S. Say it again, please. Very good. S. So this is the mother S, while this one is the baby S. Say it again, please. Good job. S. So, what is the sound of the letter S? S has the sound S, S, S. Say it again, please. Very good. S, 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 S. Now, I have here examples of objects that begin with the letter S. And the first one that I have here is this flower. Do you know what flower is this? This is a sunflower. And sunflower begins with the letter S. S, S, sunflower. Say it again, please. Very good. Sunflower. Sunflower. Now, we also have this fruit. Do you know what fruit is this? This is a strawberry. And strawberry begins with the letter S. Strawberry. Say it again, please. Good job. Strawberry. strawberry. Another example that we have here is this cute little thing that shines brightly in the sky during nighttime. Do you know what is this? This is a star, and star begins with the letter S. Star. Say it again, please. Very good. Star. Star. Then we also have this one. Do you know what is this? This thing shines brightly in the sky during daytime. Now, what is this? This is the sun. And sun starts with the letter S. Sun. Say it again, please. Very good. Sun. Sun. Now, the last example that I have here is this animal. Do you know what animal is this? This animal has the same sound as the letter S. The sound of this animal is S. Now, what animal is this? This is a snake, and snake begins with the letter S. Snake. Say it again, please. Louder, please. Very good. Snake. Snake. Now, before we end our lesson, let's have a review first with all the examples that begin with the letter S. What's the sound of the letter S again? Very good. Now, let's review the examples. Star, star. Sunflower, sunflower. Strawberry, strawberry. Snake, snake. And sun, sun. Wow, you did a great job. Give yourselves a round of applause. So, that is all for today. I hope you have learned something. For now, I have to say goodbye. I hope to see you again tomorrow. Goodbye, children. Have a great day.